Hi guys, I am just going to do a quick video to show you how to log into a couple of things that we'll be using in the next few weeks on the computer. So when you get to your computer, your web browser, you're going to want to go to sycsd.org. And when you get here, you're going to scroll to Student Portal. So when you get here, pretty much this is where you're going to find most things that we're going to need. One thing will be learning A to Z. They'll click on here and they're going to click login with Google. Pretty much everything you're going to see is logging in with Google. Their Google account, their username is their lunch number s@student.sycsd.org. Their password then is just their number, their lunch number. So here's learning A to Z. Let's get on to iReady. It's the exact same thing. Right here, you can click. And you'll also want to access Google Classroom. Once they get to Google Classroom, I'm in the wrong email, that's why. Once they get to Google Classroom, it'll look like this. They'll want to click on Our Classrooms page. And here's where I'll post assignments. So I will post a couple of things that they can work on. I'll also post most of the things on our Class Dojo page too, but if I refer, like if I want to see something that they have completed or if I want them to write to me or upload any work, it will be on here. So this is the page that they will see. I will be giving them an assignment or something. I have a couple of things here that they can always look at. Like this is a foundations practice. It's a great website for them to go on and just practice those phonics skills. That might be something that I have them work on in the next few weeks. Here's Epic Books. I might assign them books. And then I might give them some sort of writing to work on, like the selfie writing. So when of course, my screen looks a lot different than yours or your students. But this is what this should look like. I think over in this side, it'll be like their name, and then you'll see this link. And they'll just click on the link, and then they'll be able to type and respond to the writing assignment. And then they can take a picture of themselves and post it inside the actual assignment. So that's a lot of the things that you'll be seeing in the next couple of weeks. I hope that helps. I hope that gives a little bit more direction. Something that you might see when you log into Google Classroom, not Google Classroom, iReady, is that with the virus that has happened, iReady has actually given us the opportunity to test out their reading instruction as well. So you might, whenever you log in again, my screen looks much different than what your students will look like. You will probably be able to see a reading and a math. You'll be able to switch it. The reading is something really awesome to try out. I will assign you lessons on things that we've been learning about in class and just give it a try. I would hope by tonight or tomorrow morning, if you could please test and see if you can get onto iReady, that foundations practice, and Google Classroom with ease. If not, if your device does not let you, like I know I have trouble getting onto iReady with an iPad. So if that's something that's going to be trouble for you to get on, please let me know so that way I can help you get in hands with a Chromebook at our school. That way you're better prepared for the next coming weeks. Now, next week, we're just doing the FID packets, which is for those packets that were sent home maybe 2 weeks or so ago. My times are all changing. Maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, they were sent home. So those will be completed next week. I will still post a couple things on here just because I think it might be good for them to get into some sort of routine of, being back in full-time learning somewhat. But don't stress about this too much. It'll be pretty relaxed and easy, and it'll be awesome. So please let me know if I can help you in any way. And if there's anything else you have questions about. Thank you. See ya.